lovely, it's Adelaide here, and I'm going to be making a smoothie with some Ensure. For those of you who have been following me, I've been trying to put on weight so that I can build some more muscle and boost my immunity. And one of the ways to put on weight or to maintain weight if you do struggle with weight gain is to drink Ensure. Now, because I don't really like the taste of Ensure on its own, I've been making smoothies with it. So I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy smoothie today using Ensure. So first thing we're going to do is just pour 1 bottle of Ensure into a blender. Then I'm using some yogurt, just a little container of yogurt, but it's just a little container. This one is Activia Vanilla. You can use any one you want. And the reason why I'm adding yogurt to this is so that I can add some more protein to this. Usually it just comes out on its own, but looks like I'm going to have to scoop that out. So just scoop in the whole thing into the blender. Then I'm taking 1 banana, and the reason why I'm using bananas is they add some sweetness. Bananas do tend to hide that Ensure taste, especially when they have ripened quite a bit. And I do like adding the strings because they have a lot of nutrients and vitamins. So don't be afraid to just add in all of the banana except the outer skin. So that was just 1 banana. And now I'm going to add some frozen berries. You can add any kind of frozen fruit. It could be strawberries, blueberries, mangoes, whichever you like. Or you can just leave it like this as well if you want. I like to add the berries for some extra flavor. And it does add more nutrients. So I add about half a cup usually of berries. I've been doing this for a bit, so I can kind of eyeball it by now. And that is seriously it. I'm going to blend this out up now. If you like, you can also add some veggies to this. I don't have any veggies on hand that I would like to add, but you could easily add some spinach, or I know some people like to add cauliflower to their smoothies because it does add like a frothiness, and some people like that. You could also add some whey protein or some pea protein to give it that extra protein boost. I feel like the yogurt is enough, so I'm just gonna blend all that up. I like to give it a little bit of a stir just to see where I'm at flavor-wise. That's good. I barely taste the Ensure flavor. So I'm sure everything is all blended up. Yeah. I'm just going to pour that into a glass. And so there we go. You can have this as breakfast. You can have this as a nice snack. You can have this as a drink with your meal. I find that it's quite thick and fulfilling, so I tend to just have it for breakfast on its own. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned by subscribing so that you can learn more smoothie recipes, more creative ways to use Ensure if you are using it to help to gain weight or maintain your weight. Thank you so much again for watching this. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.